lastly, we have Vincent van der Meulen, who is leading AI efforts at Figma.
Hey everyone. It's going to be hard to close out this amazing lineup, but I'm going to try. So my time at Figma actually started outside of Figma as a fan. So I was at a design tool startup called Diagram, and we were making these AI plugins for Figma. And one day Dylan called and he was like, "Do you want to join?" And for me, it was like being invited to Santa's workshop. Of course, like I want to be where the magic happens. So Diagram decided to join Figma as of last year, and now I get to build these AI features at Figma itself, which is truly a dream come true. Last year, we set about creating the first AI features for Figma. And where do you even start? One of our first projects that we did as a company in the AI space was Jambots. And this actually came out of a hackathon. And the idea was that you can go to ChatGPT and you can brainstorm and you can riff. But how do we make it more fun? Can we make a widget for our online whiteboarding tool, FigJam, that lets you interact with ChatGPT and other APIs in a much more expressive, visual, collaborative way? So we built this widget that makes it a ton of fun to interact with ChatGPT. And that was our first foray into AI. And it really made us want more and made us very excited about what we could do in this space. So we started there. And then for the past year, we've been very focused on building our first AI features and creating this bundle for more professional designers. So when we made this bundle, we really wanted to focus on complementing designers and not replacing them. So we asked ourselves, what are features that designers might want? So one of the features that we focused on was AI search. As designers, we lose designs all the time. Can we help you find them faster using AI? Another one was make prototype. Creating prototypes takes a lot of work. What if we can get you 80% of the way there using AI? And then, of course, we've all had the pain of naming our own layers. What if AI would just do that for us?
Yep.
So this is our AI bundle, and there's many more features. And we're now excited to iterate on these. And when we think about our AI features, we really think about a few key principles that we always try to adhere to. Jago and like RAMP, we really try to root this in existing user behaviors. So we try to ask ourselves, what problems are users experiencing? And is this even a problem that AI needs to solve? And then from there, we try to build these prototypes. And the key there is really frequent iteration. So we have an internal Figma build that we ship experiments to constantly. We also do internal research. We do external research. Because once you have a prototype, it still takes a ton of time and a ton of living with the prototype to get it right. And then, of course, AI is notorious for not having the right level of quality.